Hello everybody. In this video, we'll see what is outside breakout strategy and how we can use that while trading. There are two types of outside breakout. We'll see one by one. In the first one, there will be few bearish candles with lower lows and lower highs. This trend will be broken by one bullish candle which will have lower lows and higher high when compared with previous candle. Once this breakout happens, the price will goes up. The other type of outside breakout is there will be sequence of bullish candle with higher highs and higher lows. Suddenly one bearish candle will be formed which will have higher high when compared with the previous candle and lower low when compared with previous candle. Once this breakout happens, the price will goes down. We'll see this strategy using examples. As you can see here, couple of bearish candle followed by a strong bullish candle which have lower than the previous candle and higher than the previous candle. Once this breaks out happens, see the price of the stock, it moves drastically upside. Similar to my other strategies, as this is an entry candle, this will be my stop loss. Target will be R1 and R2. You can use R1 and R2 as a trailing stop loss as well. In line with my other strategies, this also an low risk high reward strategies. We'll see few examples. See here, few bullish candles with lower lows and lower highs followed by one bearish candle which have lower low when compared with the previous candle and higher high when compared with the previous candle. And this is the breakout happen and see the price of the stock. Similarly, see here, downtrend followed by a bullish candle which have lower low and higher high when compared with the previous candle, and then the breakout happens. It's a reversal of that. Few bearish candle followed by one bullish candle which have lower low when compared with the previous candle and higher high when compared with the previous candle. There is a reversal in the trend and see the stock price, how drastically it went down. There's a one more example here, bullish candle, bearish candle with higher high and lower low when compared with the previous candle. This is the breakout candle. Once it happens, see the price of the stock. One more example, series of bullish candle followed by bearish candle with higher high and lower low. Breakout happens here, see the trend. This is the most powerful reversal strategy. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.